Hi and welcome guys, and thanks for following me. So I have seen a great engagement with my content on Instagram that you have done, so thank you very much first of all. And in this video I'll show you how to make origami butterfly. It's a very pretty model, and also I thought that I got like more than 70 likes on this model, so I thought that I should definitely make a tutorial for this butterfly. To order to make origami butterfly, you need or A4 sheet, or you can use origami sheets if you like. So here I'll be using A5 sheet of blue paper. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to convert this rectangular paper into square paper, which you can do like this. Follow the steps. First you make a triangle, turn it over the paper, fold it back until you see the line, and this should match here. Crease nicely, open it up and out here from here. So we get a square sheet. After you have got the square sheet, now you need to take this one point and line till there, till that point. After you have completed this step, the next step is fold the square paper in half. Open it up, rotate the paper by square sheet by 90 degrees, and again fold it in half. And you can see that you get a one cross like this, like a diagonals, and one plus in the middle. So after you complete this, the next step is to take this line and align till there. Turn it by 180 degrees, and also same from here, crease. After you have completed this step, the next step is to rotate the sheet by 90 degrees and follow the same step here. And also from here. Now open this. After you have got a plus shape and in the middle and also 16 squares, the next step is to turn it over and then take this point and align it in the middle. Like this, crease, and also we will do this with all 4 points. This in the middle, also from here, and also from this point. After you have completed this, the next step is to open all the sides, turn it over, and what you will get is you will take this side and align up in the middle, and also this side in the middle. What you will do, you will open this and align it like this, turn it over, open the flap, and also like this. The paper will look like this. After you have got this, the next step is to turn it over like this, and you'll take this side into the middle, and instead of doing the full crease, we will just give it a pinch in here and also from here. Just a pinch will be enough. Okay, so after you have completed this step, the next step is to take this side and align till there in the middle, and also give it a pinch. Same from the other side. Give it a pinch, and your paper will look like this. The next step is that you will bring both sides together. You will raise this side, and what you will do, you will take first these two flaps will go in, and then you will try to line up like this. I will again do it for you. These two flaps will go in, and then this flap, and you'll align it like this. Same from this side. And your paper will look like this. After you have completed this step, now the next step is to turn it over and fold this in half. And now you will open the flaps. This flap, this one, that one, and this one. Yes, so you will get these a triangle shape in the middle. Okay, you will raise this upside and also from the back side. You'll get a triangle. First fold it in half to form the triangle, and then you will form this. As you can see that we have a structure of butterfly done, and we will crease this tightly and hardly to get it. So your paper will look like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is that you can see the crease inside the middle. You will sharpen it like this, and first step is to take this point and align till there. And now open this, and now take this line and align it with this line over here. And you will crease it like this. After you have get this, what you will do, you will take two of your thumb and the index finger and fold it like this. You can see that you have one triangle over here and there's one point over here. So what you need to do, you will take this point and align it in the middle. And you will crease it. You will take this side and fold it upwards. Here you got one flap of your butterfly, and now what you need to do, you will paint the sides to form a nice pointed flap for your butterfly. Guys, I would, and you will do the same step here, I will do it faster. Guys, I would recommend that you should use fluorescent paper to make this butterfly, because they will glow and then they will give a very nice appearance. They will be a very good decoration model for your house. After you have completed this step, you will align it like this, fold it like this, paint this side, and also like this, try to. After you have completed this step, now the next step is to take this side, you can see the point, and crease it on the other side. And also from here. And your butterfly shape is formed. You should try put a glue, some amount of glue in between these two, and then stick them together then they will form a very nice shape of butterfly. So this is how you make origami butterfly. If you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram if you are watching from Instagram. Thank you.